How to make a group chat on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to make a group chat on Snapchat. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. So if not, then go ahead on your App Store or your Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done that, you just simply open your Snapchat app and then you may swipe right on your screen or click on this chat button right here. So again, you may swipe right like this one or click on this chat button on the lower left of the screen. Once you're right here, what you're going to do is to click on the compose button right here on the lower right of your screen and then click on new group right here. So as you can see, before we click the new create new group, you may create a new group for up to 100 participants. So you may then change the group name right ahead. So for example, I'll just type in group and then you may choose the participants that you want. So for example, I will choose all of these and then click on chat with group right here, wait for it to load, and then everything will be in place. So as you can see, I have created a group. Since I don't have a lot of friends right now, then it will just redirect me to the personal message or the direct message. However, if you click again on new group, type in the new group name, choose your participants, and then click on chat with group. Then now you may start chatting with your new group on Snapchat. So that's it. That's how you can make group chat on Snapchat.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.